Although there are now many fantastic options available on the market, and the SUV and crossover market has grown significantly in recent years, not all SUVs are the same. Some models can be complete money pits, spending nearly as much time in the shop as they do on the road. This is not only annoying, but being unreliable has far-reaching effects such as missed appointments, flights, and social engagements. With so many options available, from hybrids and EVs to conventional SUVs, it makes sense to research how your new car will likely perform rather than being forced to drive a lemon. Hi guys, welcome to Finest Vehicles. Today we will look at the most reliable SUVs that you can buy in 2023. And stay tuned, because somewhere in this video we will present a fun fact that you will find very interesting. Number 10. The 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe with a reliability rating of 79%. A lot of buyers find the Hyundai Santa Fe to be a practical option. Its clever trailer sway control system makes this especially true for those who want to tow. The vehicle has a starting price of about $28,200, and its reliability rating of 79% from J.D. Power makes it an even better deal. A variety of engines, including regular gasoline, hybrid, and plug-in hybrid, are offered for the Santa Fe. A 2.5-liter four-cylinder with 191 horsepower and 181 pound-feet of torque serves as the base engine. For the majority of uses, this ought to be sufficient. The 2.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, which produces 281 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque, is an alternative. Number 9. The 2023 Toyota Highlander with a reliability rating of 81%. Since 2020, the fourth-generation Toyota Highlander has been produced. The infotainment system has significantly improved over the third-generation SUV, and it now includes features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto that are fully integrated. The J.D. Power rating for this car is 82 out of 100 overall and 81 out of 100 for reliability, so buyers can be confident they are getting a good deal. A 3-year 36,000-mile warranty and a 5-year 60,000-mile powertrain warranty are included with the 2023 Toyota Highlander for added assurance. Number 8. The 2023 Nissan Rogue Sport with a reliability rating of 82%. The Nissan Rogue Sport has been a huge success for the company, also known as the Qashqai in some other markets. It is a fantastic car to have without breaking the bank, with a starting price of only $27,360. A 1.5-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine with 201 horsepower and 225 pound-feet of torque is housed under the hood. The engine is connected to a front-wheel drive system that is standard and a continuously variable automatic transmission. There also is an all-wheel drive option. The Nissan Rogue Sport is also practical when you factor in its 504-liter cargo capacity. Family necessities can be stored in the cabin's various cubbyholes and storage spaces, which are plentiful. With a reliability rating of 85 out of 100 and a current overall package ranking of 1 in J.D. Power's small SUV category, it's not surprising that this SUV is so well liked. Number 7. The 2023 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport with a reliability rating of 82%. The base list price of the 2023 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport, one of the least expensive and most compact SUVs on this list, is $22,995. Reliability is where it excels, even though refinement and interior quality may be a little behind some of its rivals. You could do worse than purchase the Outlander Sport considering its affordable price, standard all-wheel drive system, attractive design, and user-friendly infotainment system. With an outstanding 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, reliability is excellent. It has a J.D. Power rating of 82 out of 100. Number 6. The 2023 Kia Sorrento with a reliability rating of 83%. The 7-seater Sorrento SUV from Kia features a stylish exterior and a roomy interior. The majority of buyers are satisfied with the vehicle's driving abilities, and J.D. Power gives it an 83 out of 100 rating. The 2023 Kia Sorrento comes standard with a 191 horsepower, 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, 17-inch alloy wheels, all-season tires, manually adjustable front seats, an 8.0-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, and other impressive features. It is available in 5 trim levels: LX, S, EX, SX, and SX Prestige. In order to better protect you and your family, the 2023 Kia Sorrento also offers a wide range of cutting-edge driver assistance features, such as blind spot monitoring, forward automatic emergency braking, rear cross-traffic avoidance, driver attention monitoring, and intelligent cruise control. This mid-sized SUV is one of the safest and most dependable SUVs to buy in 2023 thanks to its many safety features and predicted reliability rating of 83 out of 100. Number 5. The 2023 Lexus RX with a reliability rating of 85%. The Lexus RX is a very alluring vehicle as a whole, and this is reflected in its 83% J.D. Power overall rating. The RX receives a great rating of 85% for reliability, making it another area where it excels. The brand new Lexus RX from 2023 is the 5th RX generation. The new Toyota Global Architecture K platform, which Lexus used to build the most recent RX, has a lower center of gravity and lighter weight than the Toyota K platform that supported the model's predecessor. An improved turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine replaces the previous engine in the base 2023 Lexus RX 350. The RX 500hF Sport Performance AWD, a new addition to the lineup, is the performance model that Lexus now offers. It has a hybrid powertrain that produces a combined 366 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque from a 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine and an electric motor. The 2023 Lexus RX 500hF Sport Performance AWD accelerates to 60 miles per hour in 5.9 seconds from a complete stop. Number 4. The 2023 Kia Telluride with a reliability rating of 85%. The Telluride is unquestionably a fantastic all-around vehicle, topping the J.D. Power League table for upper mid-sized SUVs at number 1. The car is stunning, and from a few angles, especially the rear, it reminds us of the new Range Rover and Volvo XC90. The Telluride has undergone a mid-cycle refresh and is now even more striking, with a long list of features to match its superb design. This car's exterior has undergone changes, including a new front bumper, headlamps, and grille. Kia's most recent infotainment system, which includes a 12.3-inch touchscreen, digital gauge cluster, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, navigation, a Wi-Fi hotspot, 5 USB ports, and more, is also available in the Telluride. The 2023 Kia Telluride has a naturally aspirated V6 engine that produces 291 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque. In 7.1 seconds, the mid-sized SUV can reach 60 miles per hour thanks to this. The car also performs remarkably well in terms of reliability, earning an excellent score of 85 out of 100. Number 3. The 2023 Lexus GX with a reliability rating of 86%. With a J.D. Power reliability rating of 86%, the Lexus GX appears to be a fantastic choice for those who want hassle-free driving. While the GX's cabin is luxurious and it is designed for off-road driving, some customers may not be happy with its dynamic performance. Before signing on the dotted line, it would be wise to take the car for a test drive. For the 2022 model year, Lexus updated the GX, giving it a new infotainment system that includes a 10.3-inch touchscreen along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Number 2. The 2023 Kia Sportage with a reliability rating of 88%. The Kia Sportage certainly lives up to the reputation that the company has for being extremely reliable. It is not surprising that the car is so well-liked given its reliability score of 88 out of 100 from J.D. Power and overall ranking of 6 in the compact SUV category. Performance should satisfy most buyers given the wide range of engines available, which range from a 2.4-liter naturally aspirated engine with 181 horsepower to a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine with 240 horsepower. Before we go to the number 1 on this list, here's the fun fact of this video. Did you know that 75% of all Rolls-Royce vehicles produced are still in use today? Owners of Rolls-Royces appear to be devoted to their vehicles. Number 1. The 2023 Nissan Murano with a reliability rating of 90%. The Murano, which starts at $33,660 and has a potent 3.5-liter V6 engine with 260 horsepower, is likely to draw on a lot of potential customers. Nissan has put a strong emphasis on refinement and luxury, which makes long drives exciting. The ride is comfortable. J.D. Power gave the car a rating of 90 out of 100, indicating excellent reliability. Buyers can navigate difficult weather conditions thanks to an intelligent all-wheel drive system, which is included in all 4 trim levels. Which one would you like to own? Give your opinion in the comments. Did you enjoy this video? Then please like and subscribe for more of the best new vehicle videos here at Finest Vehicles.